How to save WhatsApp audio. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your WhatsApp and then go to the chat in which you want or you have the audio file. After that, what you will have to do is tap on this three dot or tap and hold the audio file. First, open the audio file. Select the option where you want to use it and then select that. After that, you will be able to find an option of downloading it as well. Simply add it to your Spotify and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.